What's the funniest way someone thought you were a criminal? I'm just chilling in my car outside a gas station. Music on, windows down, not bothering anyone. Out of nowhere, two guys burst out of the store, arms full of snacks and stuff they clearly didn't pay for. Right behind them, the gas station clerk is screaming like it's a full-blown robbery. I'm sitting there like I just tuned into a live-action movie until I realize they're sprinting straight toward my car. For a second I thought, no way! They're not about to, but they were. What's the